How to unprivate your YouTube videos on your phone. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, started. So first of all, launch the YouTube application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now tap on the use section at the bottom right corner of the screen and make sure that you're logged into your account. So here, as you tap on the use section, you can see the option of your videos option over here. So tap on your videos. Now to unprivate your YouTube videos on your phone, simply tap on any of the video that you have created in a private way. So tap on the three dotted lines over here, and as you do that, you can see the option of edit. So tap on edit. So as you tap on edit, you can see the visibility is private. Now if you want to unprivate this YouTube video, simply tap on the visibility option and then switch it to public. Now go back and then tap on save, and as you tap on save, now you can see it is unprivated your YouTube videos. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.